Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. I had a little detour and I'm going to tell you about it. I have my oven being worked on and I promised that I was going to make the pumpkin roll. So I'm going to show you how to do this meantime. It's a hot, cheesy bean dip, and of course everybody needs this because of course it's game day, football season, and I'm sporting my husband's team, the Rams, and they're awesome. And I'm going to be right back to go over all the ingredients. Rams! The very first thing you're going to need is 2.5 cups of shredded Colby Jack cheese or sharp cheddar cheese, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1 block of softened cream cheese, and my favorite, and this is just optional, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes. You don't have to do that. Sour cream, this is for garnish, sliced olives, 1 jar of salsa of your choice, and 1 can of refried beans, and I'm using Taco Bell. And that is it. For this recipe, you're going to need an 8x8 inch pan, and I've got this one here. I sprayed it at the bottom with some avocado oil, and then I spread the whole can of the taco refried beans on the bottom, and then we're just going to set that aside. I put the softened cream cheese in there first. Next, I'm putting 1/2 cup of sour cream. Then we are going to put this packet of taco seasoning in. I've got to open it, so I'll be right back. Pour the whole packet into the bowl. Next, I'm going to put 1/2 of this jar of salsa in, just about 1/2 of it. And then, of course, you know I'm adding this because I love it a little spicy, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili seeds. And then we are just going to mix this up, and I will show you what it looks like in just a bit. So here it is. I've mixed it all up, and we're just going to pour this on top of the beans, and I'm going to get all of this out, and then we're going to top it with the cheese and the olives. So you're going to spread this all out. You turn this sideways a little bit, and let me get the rest of it out. So here we go. Now it's time for the cheese, and we're going to just flood the top of this with a bunch of cheese, and we are going to cook this at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes, just till it's bubbling and cooked through, and you'll see what it's going to look like when it comes out. And then I'll put the olives on and it will be all done. It was 20 minutes and I pulled it out, and I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to try to get a whole little bunch out here so you can see this. It's piping hot. You can see the beans at the bottom. And what I'm going to do for mine is I'm going to put a few olives, and I'm going to put a little more dashes of some of the salsa. Look at this, all of this flavor in there, the beans, the cream cheese with the taco seasoning, and the additions. I am going to keep eating, and everybody's going to love this. And here it goes. I'm going to try it. Hopefully it's not too hot. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you loved this show. We were eating off camera, just tons and tons, me and my sons. It was so delicious. You have to make this for your game day or your family get-togethers. And I just got to tell you something. I need you to subscribe if you haven't already, and I need you to put on the notifications, because as soon as my oven is fixed, I will be cooking that pumpkin roll. But I will be back for a short video to show you how to make this persimmon shake, which is so nutritious for you. So have a good day, make some of this, and I want to see you in the next Maria's Kitchen. Bye. Read with me this morning Proverbs 3:5. Trust in and rely confidently on the Lord with all your heart, and do not rely on your own insight or understanding. In all your ways know and acknowledge and recognize Him, and He will make your paths straight and smooth, removing obstacles that block your way. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord with reverent awe and obedience. and turn entirely away from evil. It will be health to your body, your marrow, your nerves, and your sinews, your muscles, and all your inner parts, and refreshment, physical well-being to your bones. Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your crops. Then your barns will be abundantly filled, and your vats will overflow with new wine. My son, do not reject or take lightly the discipline of the Lord. Learn from your mistakes